Well, good morning everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's weekend again, so yeah, time to get out and get exploring in the van. Yeah, today we're going to well, we're going to do two things. We're heading out to a place called Lechlade. It's pretty much on the Thames River itself, and yeah, we're going to explore around there. And yeah, then we've got a small unboxing to do, so yeah, stick around, see what that is. It's a nice one. Well, that was straightforward, nice and easy. Yeah, we just got some fobs to get in, and should lift this boom. There you go. Well, we're in. We've got our fob, we've got our parking. See what it looks like. There you have it, just a click of the finger these days. This is the van is set up and ready to use. Yeah. All plugged in. Electric hookup is done. Got neighbours with the dog there. Yeah, electric hookup's all sorted. Yeah, I think need to go and take a bit of a walk. Lechlade is literally a stone's throw away. You can even see parts of Lechlade. I'll show you quickly. If we go around this side of the van, you can quite literally see, or can you? We try and let it focus. Lechlade is literally behind these trees, and we've got the Thames River running across there. Yeah, let's go take a walk. Go stretch the legs. Let's go get some fresh air in the lungs. And yeah, let's go and find a pint. A little bridge to go over to get to the pub. There's the other side of the field, which is just a little gate to get through and around the bridge. It's not slip over here because it could not end well. This is on the main path. So yeah, enjoy and respect the Cotswold Water Park. And that's the water park I want to try and get to. But I guess we need to go up and over the river. So let's do that. Quite a bit of traffic. So yeah, this is a bridge view. If you can hear me over the actual traffic, cars going past. So where the campsite is in relation to where I am now is quite literally there. So just in front of the bridge, hence bridge view. Over the bridge, see a couple of willows, some boats for hire, and some water sport equipment that you can hire from just outside the pub. As for the days where it's a lot warmer than today, I guess. It's not cold, to be fair, but it is overcast and pretty grey at the moment. So perfect time to go and find a pint, have the pint, yeah, head back to the camp. Ah, there you go. It's classed as weekend juice. Yeah, that's a quick pint of Voyager. I'm going to go and have a walk up and down the river in a second. But yeah, this is absolutely brilliant sitting here. You can see how it would be rather nice in the summer if the sun was out. Be really nice. This is the Riverside pub in Lechlade. Yeah, quite busy along the river. There's no tables available, but yeah, I mean, river's pretty much right there. So the campsite I'm staying in is at the top there, and you've got the moo field, the river, the bridge, the church. Ah, it's a nice diagram. Some Lechlade cottages, literally across the main road. Very nice. Gonna head back down to the campsite, get some dinner on. Yeah, get the get the camper van set up for evening mode, and yeah, just get the bed out. Right, so yeah, getting ready for dinner time. So yeah, we've got a bit of chicken tonight, chicken and salad, so more of a healthier one than it was for last week's video with the boerewors. Yeah, so today we've got, let me just show you, we've got yeah, we've got some chicken thighs, and we've got some salad, which is going to go down really well. And obviously to wash it down is going to be the Brewdog's Wingman. Yeah, this is fast becoming one of my favourites, to be fair. Yeah, Session IPA, Wingman. Yeah, can't argue. Yeah, so let's get yeah, let's get the dinner on, and yeah, let's get the bellies full. Right, let's get the dinner on. So, we've got the roast chicken. We've got the roast chicken and chicken thighs, which we're gonna just open up. Nice healthier meal today. So I'll grab 2 of them. And we'll grab a nice salad bowl. So we've got a salad bowl from Waitrose, which is one of the pre-made ones. I like these ones because they've got a few peppers in them as well. So yeah, they always go down really well. Let's get this on a plate. Never have too much salad. The thing I did forget though is the salad dressing, so it's going to need to be a relatively dry salad. And there you have it, as simple as that, we have dinner. Doesn't need to be more complicated than that when you're camping. Right, we are nighttime mode. Yeah, supposed to pull the bed out and the roof is up. I think it may rain a little later, so yeah, I don't know if I'll pull the roof down, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. And yeah, iPad and phone to the ready. The drone battery's on charge there as well, so we'll get another aerial flight in the morning, and we'll see how it goes. So have a good evening, guys. We'll see you in the morning. Night. Well, good morning, everybody. But a sort of restful sleep until about 3 o'clock in the morning, when the heavens absolutely just opened. Yeah, so it absolutely bucketed down. Yeah, to the point where I needed to drop one leg of the awning just so that the water would absolutely run off, because if you leave it just level the way it was, it tends to pool and create this big bulge of water, which is not going to do much good for the awning. So yeah, drop the one little leg of it and water runs off nicely. Yeah, about 3 o'clock, between 3 and 5 in the morning, it was absolutely hammering it. Thunder, lightning, the works. But yeah, it's still nice to be out. So I'm going to do that unboxing that I didn't do last night. So it's not so much going to be an unboxing, more than show you what the product is while we do some breakfast. So yeah, we're going to get a couple of sausages on, and yeah, a bit of an egg in a roll and some coffee. All right, what we've got for breakfast, guys, is as I say, I'm just going to do the cooker outside rather than cooking inside this morning. So it's a benefit of having a small little gas cooker. Got some eggs, got some sausages. We've got some Cumberland pork sausages, which we'll pop into the frying pan. And yeah, so we'll do a sausage and egg on a bun. So we've got some brioche burger buns there, which is going to be used for brioche breakfast buns. So yeah, let's get the sausages on, and then we'll do an egg. Right, sizzling sausages are done. Let's get them onto the brioche bun and let's do an egg. So guys, that's breakfast done. So just in case you guys were curious as to what I was cooking on, it's just a single plate burner. Just takes a small little gas bottle. You just plug onto the side of it, and yeah, this is ideal for cooking outdoors. This is the Camp Bistro 3 set by Camping Gas. But yeah, I wanted to show you the upgrade. You know, as it was a birthday week, always a birthday week for me. My lovely other half has got me the upgrade to it. So we now have a double burner Camping Gas, which is more of a Cadec, not Camping Gas brand. It looks like they've done a joint thing with Cadec and Dometic. I don't know if the companies are affiliated, but this is great because it'll just plug onto the external point of the van. Or connect to a gas bottle. So yeah, thank you very much, me darling. And next time you're cooking. Well, that's it for another camp, guys. Thanks for coming along, thanks for watching. That was out in Lechlade, if you want to know where the campsite was. Lovely little campsite. Not fantastic in terms of its quality and stuff. It's not very new, it's quite an old campsite, but all the showers, loos, facilities were all clean, tidy, and yeah, it was nice. So again, if you like this type of content, give me a thumbs up in the section below. If you love the outdoors, come along for the journey, hit the subscribe button, and yeah, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.